Hi, I'm Anil Jain with Brightmonk Innovation. At Brightmonk, we work closely with entrepreneurs and investors to help them take their ideas from concept through commercialization. The vast majority of the projects we work on, or the ventures we work on, deal with software and mobile applications. And over the last 13 or 14 years, I've worked with many outsourced and offshore development teams, software engineering teams. And I've got to say that working with Multunus has been the best experience out of all the outsourced companies I've worked with. The companies I've worked with have spanned the globe from India to Singapore and Malaysia to Belarus, Peru, Brazil, Mexico, and the United States. And there are a lot of challenges with working with most outsourced firms, but Multunus has made working on lean startup development and lean product development activities in a globally dispersed fashion an art form. I've been working with them since 2008 and continue to work with them today. And I believe that beyond their technical prowess, there are 5 key things that, in my mind, make them stand out and make them a great company to work with. One is proactive communication. One of the keys to managing any kind of project, let alone complex software development projects, is making sure there's clear and continuous communication between all the different parties, from the business teams and product teams, the design and development teams. Multunus does a very, very good job of proactively communicating. Rather than the customer looking to pull information from the development team is pushing that information proactively to those of us on the product and business side. And that's very refreshing and very, very helpful, and make sure that everybody is singing off the same song sheet. Another thing that I find very impressive about Multunus is that they are a learning organization. They make continuous learning part of the DNA and fabric of the company, where everybody on the team is always improving themselves and improving their team by studying not only new technologies but new methodologies, new applications, new tools. And so all of us who are working with Multunus in startups or in new product efforts get the benefit of that learning. Another thing is that they do a very good job of blending process with agility, meaning they are very process-oriented. They understand that to get a good, solid product out the door, it's not about just stringing some code together as quickly as possible. It is about making sure that you have in place a very regimented and repeatable process for developing software, one that produces maintainable code, something that can be extended and grown and edited and modified easily. But they do this in a way that doesn't get them bogged down and end up in a situation of analysis paralysis. So they remain agile, and a lot of respect for that. The last 2 out of this list of 5 is that they embrace tools in a way that makes work better. So they use a number of different tools on a regular basis, and all the clients that either come through us at Brightmonk or work directly with Multunus end up using those tools, and it becomes part of the overall daily process of making sure that all the dispersed folks, on either side of the ocean are in communication and up to date on the latest details of the product. And then lastly, I think that Multunus is poised to be a great company for years to come, because they invest themselves in the future. And what I mean by that is, back when mobile applications were starting to take off, and before Multunus even had a mobile application project to work on, they were spending extra time and nights and weekends investing themselves in Android and iOS development activities to further their skills and make sure that they had the competency to take on mobile projects in the future. And now of course, that's one of their fortes. Very happy to be working with Multunus. They've done great work for us across a whole range of projects over the last 4 years, and I look forward to many more years of continued collaboration.